In recent years, the intersection of environmental policy and political leadership has sparked intense global dialogue. Central to this conversation is the environmental legacy of the 45th President of the United States, Donald Trump. As we delve into Trump's environmental policies, we uncover a narrative that has stirred both controversy and reflection on a global scale. When Trump entered office in January 2017, his administration quickly moved to dismantle numerous environmental regulations established by his predecessors. The central rationale was to reduce what they deemed burdensome regulations impeding economic growth and job creation. Central to this effort was the rollback of the Clean Power Plan, an Obama-era policy aimed at reducing carbon emissions from power plants. The Trump administration argued that this repeal would unleash America's energy potential, particularly in coal, oil, and gas sectors, marking a significant shift in the nation's energy policy. One of the most controversial moves was the withdrawal from the Paris Agreement in 2017. The agreement, signed by nearly 200 countries, aimed to combat climate change by limiting global warming. Trump's decision to exit was justified by a belief that the agreement unfairly disadvantaged the United States economically. Critics, however, argued that this withdrawal undermined global efforts to address climate change, isolating the United States from international cooperation on one of the most pressing issues of our time. Domestically, the administration made substantial changes to the Environmental Protection Agency's EPA rules. By prioritizing economic development over environmental protection, the administration aimed to provide more freedom to businesses. Protections for waterways, air quality standards, and land use faced significant amendments or repeals. Supporters saw these changes as a boost to industry, while environmentalists warned of long-term ecological and public health consequences. Globally, Trump's environmental approach prompted mixed reactions. Some international leaders expressed concern, viewing these policies as a setback for global climate efforts. Yet for others, it sparked a renewed commitment to climate initiatives, further galvanizing countries to strengthen their environmental policies. Notably, state and city governments within the U.S., alongside private corporations, pledged to uphold the goals of the Paris Agreement independently, highlighting a complex web of responses to federal actions. Trump's environmental policies have left an indelible mark on the landscape of global climate politics. They have fueled debates on the balance between economic growth and environmental stewardship, challenging traditional paradigms and prompting a re-evaluation of commitments to sustainable development. As the world advances in tackling climate change, the legacy of these policies continues to serve as both a point of contention and a call to action for future leaders. In conclusion, the environmental controversy surrounding Trump's policies reflects a broader challenge facing the global community. How to effectively integrate economic priorities with the urgent need to address climate change. As nations navigate this complex terrain, the lessons learned from this era underscore the importance of cooperation, innovation, and a shared commitment to a sustainable future. Whether viewed as an impediment or a catalyst, Trump's legacy in environmental policy undeniably contributes to the ongoing dialogue about our planet's future.